So clearly, we're looking at the left side of the screen at the North Zone pit. We're viewing this to roughly the northeast from the southwest. Substantial amount of drilling done in North Zone, and most of that, as you commented, is indicated. There is less drilling in South Zone. I think we managed to sort of peg all the edges and the base of South Zone, but clearly we need to get into this area and extend it down to the southwest. If you are able to see my mouse, we need to infill down in this southwest part of the pit. I think you can observe that we need some infill here, and certainly up in between the prior holes drilled in 2023. So we definitely need to do that additional drilling, and that will be the focus, and essentially lifting the classification of the resource into indicated for South Zone. That'll be the focus. We also have mineralization, and again, if you can see my cursor here between North and South Pit, we have this so-called pillar zone. It is mineralized, albeit apparently a narrower and shallower mineralization. And so we need to move some of that into an indicated category, and that will help us a little with dropping the strip ratio by a small amount, and also increasing the copper available for mining. So, some small wins to be taken. We do expect a very subtle shave and a lift in the grade in parts of South Zone. So, it's necessary work to upgrade the resource. So hopefully we'll extend the resource just a little here to the southwest, and we'll be able to infill some of the resource in terms of classification, and hopefully a little bit in grade in some of the blocks in the central part of South Zone. And then we need to increase the confidence in the block model through the pillar in this mid area here. And we're also hopeful that we'll perhaps be able to lift some of the blocks in the model above cutoff through that program. Essentially, we do not expect the resource to change materially, but to the extent it changes, we expect, subtle rise in the value of what's in situ. We wouldn't anticipate that work will in any way, significantly change the project that comprises North and South Zone. That would require work, perhaps to explore Brasiles and the connection between the North Zone and Brasiles.